All right, thank you for joining. Today we will go over PEPE USDT on the Binance chart. So I pretty much have everything on the screen right now that is of great importance due to the current price action of PEPE. And as you can see, it's had a pretty nice sell-off since May 27th. Sold off about 38% or to about 28% to its current price. Now, when taking a look at PEPE, if you zoom out a little bit, you can see that it's been nothing but bullish price action, right? So higher highs, higher lows, and it just seems to keep making these higher highs and higher lows, which is very, very bullish price action. So taking that into consideration, my bet would be that PEPE would at least attempt to make another higher high, right? Based on all this previous price action. So this VWAP, this anchored VWAP, was pulled from May 1st, right? So this is just the volume weighted average price since May 1st up until now. And as you can see, we did come and tap this level and held this level pretty well over the past week or two. So pretty nice support. Now below that, we also have a daily level as well, which has been front ran a little bit, right? So we actually never got a tap of that daily level. But we see, it's still a zone at the end of the day, so it doesn't have to tap it exactly. So it's still a zone, and price came right down into that zone and bounced right off of that zone, right? As you can see. Now, since that bounce, we've reclaimed the fixed range volume profile. We've reclaimed the anchored VWAP. We've basically tested the daily level, and we're just one time framing on the 4-hour time frame to the upside. So this is very, very bullish price action. I am doing $100 to $200 challenge on my X account if you want to jump over to that and take a look. And to be honest, right now I should have taken this, but I'm already in a different trade. You can go on my X account to see which trade I'm currently in. So yes, I do believe based on this price action, we should see higher prices, and I do expect higher prices to come. The first major resistance will be this daily level, which is about 6% away, right? At a current price, at the price of 0.001321, right? Now, after that, my main target would be the point of control sitting about 15% away at 0.1446. So that's the main target, because right above that we also have a daily. So with that being said, we can most definitely get a rejection off this level here, right? Because that is a 4-hour pivot high before the sell-off. So we can get a 4-hour rejection off that level before coming down, finding the same support right here or demand before continuing higher, with the main target being the point of control. And then I'll kind of expect the same thing, sweep those highs a little bit, tap the daily, come down, back test this support area before then moving higher once again, right? So that's pretty much how I'm expecting price action to play out over the next few days or over the next week or two. But in my opinion, this is more bullish right now. We have a confirmed market structure change because we do have a higher low, and the higher low did now break through this previous high, which was right there. Very important high, which we did break out of. So we do have a confirmed market structure change, and I am expecting that 5% to 6% move locally first before attempting to go up 15 more percent or 15% from current price to the point of control and tap the daily level above, right? So very straightforward analysis. And yes, the best places to take a short would be off of a rejection off the point of control, or at least waiting until the monthly level above has been tapped, and we tapped this value area high too as well. But to be honest, the best short would be if we were to break through the value area high, monthly level, weekly level, come back in and start to trade back down, right? If we start closing candles below here, because as you can see, this is supply, right? Supply, 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 supply. So if this gets flipped into demand, very strong, but if it gets lost as demand and flipped back into supply, I would be expecting a full rotation back down to the value area low, right? So keep in mind this range from value area low to value area high is about, let's see, there you go, 28%. All right, so you can play around with that level, keep eyes on those levels, and that's exactly what I'm expecting and what I'm keeping an eye on for PEPE moving forward for the next week or two. Remember to jump onto my X account where you can see my $100 to $200 challenge. I'm actually down a little bit right now. Lost a few trades, but no shame in that. Right now the account is at $91, so lost about 9%. But I was up, you go up and down sometimes. I was actually up, I think, around 11% before dropping down to 9%. So we're going to hold our trades a little bit longer to see if we can capitalize on some of these nice setups. But in the meanwhile, like and subscribe, follow me on X, and thank you for watching, and look out for the next video.